Welcome to Cognitio. So till now we have covered lots of things in Python, like what are the different data types over there, how we can store the values in any variable, and how we can manipulate it according to our need throughout the program. And now going forward, there comes the use of those variables and values. Means throughout the program you need to understand whether that particular value is satisfying some conditions based on our input, like is that particular variable or value is equal or not equal or greater or less than. So those are the operations which comes under comparison operations. So let's go to Jupyter Notebook and see how it works. So if I'll tell you that to whether one is greater than one or not, okay, so you will tell that it's a false statement, and again the Python as well gives us the same result. 1 greater than 1 is false, whereas 1 is greater than equal to 1 will give you a true result. Whether 2 is greater than 1 will always give you a true result. 2 greater than equal to 2 also gives you a true statement. So this was the greater than comparison. Again, the other thing is less than. 2 is less than 1, it's false, and 2 is less than equal to 2, yeah, one condition actually satisfied, the equal to, and that's why it will give you a true statement. 1 is less than 2, yes, it will give you a true statement. So this was less than is the comparison operation. Now the third one comes with equal to, whether 1 is equal to means double equal to 1, yes, it's true. Is 1 is equal to no. Again, I can also check whether 1 is not equal to 2. So the okay, so it comes true over there, it's not equal to 2. Now the you can also compare not the numbers, but you can also compare the strings as well, like is hello equal to what? No. Is hello equal to hello? Yes, it is. So this was that how we can compare two different values or two different variables and understand whether its value matches or not, and which one is greater or some less than, and do some kind of operations which we will discuss later. Again, now the logical operations come. Logical operations means how you are going to handle two different comparison results. Like if I want to understand whether A is greater than B and C is greater than B, means I want to compare A and C with respect to B, or some complex comparison operator, which will which we are which in a daily life you also do it, whether it's that particular condition meets and or and the other thing is to compare with the or conditions. Like 1 is greater than 2, the result would be false, or 1 is equal to is less than 2. The result from this particular comparison operation will be false, whether the result from this particular instruction will be true. So false or true will give us a result as true. 1 is less than 2, it's true, right? And then or 2 is less than 3, it will get true and true, so the result would be true itself. 1 is equal to 2, this will give a false result. And if I want to combinedly react on any two different or three comparisons, so I can do it like 1 is equal to 1 and 2 less than 3. So this will give you a true result, this will give you a true result, whether this will give you a false result. So overall the result would be false. If I want to less than, so this will give you a true result, this will give a true result, and this will also give a true result, and the overall result would be true itself. Okay, so this is how the basic thing is, where we can combine two or more comparison results, the Boolean results, into account and understand whether this our particular condition or our particular need meets or not. Then we can also throw in, we can also do operations on the Booleans. It will give you a result as well. True, it will give you a true. False, true will give you a false result, like false or true will give you a true. Oops, will give you a true result. So this was the basic. So what we have covered till now is the basic operation which we have done using the comparison operations, and after combining those comparison operation, we see how we can compare, and we can take an account of the result of the comparison operator using the logical operations, and combined it to gain a our desired result. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.